Hello, dear audience. People face difficulties finding an efficient way to learn languages and struggle to master the right pronunciation. They also feel uncomfortable, embarrassed, and stressed while practicing a new language in real time. Arabigo is a fully rounded resource for learning Arabic, combining video tutorials to facilitate the reading, writing, and speaking practice in full conversations. Its platforms accelerates syllables defects detection by using artificial intelligence to overcome common speech pronunciation barriers and inappropriate patterns. Our solution is based on an AI-powered mobile app that converts Arabic audio into recognizable syllables and offers the users a new customized vocabulary path. I'll let the numbers talk. That simply shows the high potential that could rise behind Arabigo. Arabigo addresses a massive market opportunity, starting with 10 million immigrants in Europe, planning to expand to 3.5 million descendants in US, and targeting the 60% of the 9 million expats in Gulf countries in a long-term vision. We are building a two-sided market. The first revenue stream for B2C based on a monthly subscription starting from €6.67 per month. The second stream is for organizations based on the number of subscriptions starting from €45 per year. Similar solution providers are summarized in this table, but what makes us really different is the diversity of the content we offer for both ends and the fact we target a different market segmentation. Arabico is simply an innovative, efficient, and affordable solution where the user pays less and gets more. Beta version to our users in August 2019 enabled us to collect 3,000 downloads, 650 subscribed users with an average note of 4.5 in the store, and over 100 website visits per day, which pushed us to launch the Android version in March this year. Here are the co-founders behind Arabigo, a group of mission-driven entrepreneurs who combine between a range of management skills and technical expertise, which is the main key of balance and harmony of our team. Thank you very much for your attention. Please have a look at our website and enjoy using our product.